Hi guys. So I know that you all have seen my mom try this dish, and she says that I've tried it, but I don't remember. Now, mine ain't all fancy like Jada's and hers was. I don't have the salad and all that, but I have the good stuff. So I'm about to try it.
Catfish coubillon.
Catfish coubillon.
Coubillon.
Okay. So here we go. This is my first taste. And I put it in the warmer there. My mom like her stuff too hot. I like my stuff a little lukewarm, but no, not her.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little warm.
Yeah,
You got a little bite.
It sound like one of my subscribers.
It's real good.
When he's talking about the jalapeno pepper.
It's real good.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I taste the different
You taste all the flavors.
and
Really?
stuff.
Yes. Yes.
And I smell it. Peppers and stuff. And I'm trying a little hot sauce, man. I want mine like yours. Don't try to short me.
Okay, all right. So Jody want to get like the big girls.
Yeah, I don't usually eat hot sauce. I really don't. I don't care for the smell, but I'm gonna try it.
All right.
I'm gonna give it a little 1-2.
Yeah, there you go.
That's
That's good. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Well, you know the thing about it is you don't want anything to knock you down, but you just want a little kick. You know.
It's kicking.
And cayenne kick it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is what, Louisiana? Uh-oh, I'm making a mess.
Yes,
now.
crystal hot sauce. Yes, made in Metairie, Louisiana.
Oh, right across the river.
Right across the river.
Woo!
Woo!
It's good, but it's a little warm. It's really good though. So what you got in it? Tell me.
So let me show you the main thing I have in it, okay? Okay, so that is one of the main ingredients that I put in there. Of course, I put all of my fresh vegetables, you know, but Chef Paul Poudon, he was just the best.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right now.
Yes.
It got a little kick to it too?
Oh, it had a little kick to it too.
Okay.
Chef Paul Poudon was from Acadiana Parish, and
the accent.
Yes, I gotta love it. I think his words was, "I love y'all." Something about I forgot his little words he used when he was signing off, but he's just so awesome.
Ooh.
You put
My mouth doing like this. It's good though.
Yeah.
It's really good.
And you know what, guys? To hear my daughter, my granddaughter, my grandson, and my son say that they love it, you know what? That's all that counts. That's all that counts. Yep.
Good.
And it's all gone. And as you can see, yep, I done fried some more fish. And I made some more sweet peas because, yeah, they still hungry.
Yep. I saw that video. I came jetted over here. I said, where my fish at? Where my rice? Where my salad? I want all that. I'm old. I am due.
Jada plate was just popping.
It really was. And she said, oh, mommy, it was colorful. I said, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, guys, thank you. Thank you, Jody, for stopping by.
No problem. Hope you guys have a good day.
All right, y'all. Later, y'all.